Welcome to Show, Science of How and Why. Today, we're investigating why landing on the moon is proving more difficult now than it was 50 years ago. Back in 1969, the Apollo missions made history with the first human moon landing. So why is it so challenging to repeat that feat today? First, technological challenges. While technology has advanced, the specific technology used for the Apollo missions was unique and purpose-built. Recreating and updating this technology to meet modern standards is a complex task. Second, budget and funding. The Apollo program was backed by massive government funding during the space race. Today, space missions compete with numerous other priorities for funding. Third, safety standards. Modern space missions have to meet much stricter safety regulations, which adds to the complexity and cost. Fourth, international collaboration. Unlike the Apollo era, today's missions often involve multiple countries and agencies, requiring extensive coordination. Lastly, new goals. Modern missions aim to establish a sustainable presence on the moon and pave the way for Mars exploration, which requires new technologies and longer-term planning. Landing on the moon is more than a repeat mission. It's a step towards a sustainable future in space. Subscribe to Show for more insights into the science of how and why.